Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great week of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about my Robinhood portfolio. Currently I'm at $233,050. Cash position of $9,811. I also have another $30,000 in a high yield savings account so that I can easily deploy into the market when there are opportunities to buy. Most of my portfolio is in US equities, and the market has been rallying the past year, which makes me a bit more cautious, considering optimism is extremely high. Scrolling down a bit, first position is VOO, Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, which makes a 15.5% portfolio or $36,125. This is my largest position, up 23.98%. Vanguard Information Technology ETF, which is good exposure to tech sector, makes a 7.13% of my portfolio or $16,623, up 81.41%. Schwab US Large Cap ETF, which is very similar to VOO, makes a 5.45% portfolio or $12,711, currently up 33.49%. iShares Core S&P 500 ETF makes up 1.26% portfolio or $2,939, up 52.83%. Spider S&P 500 ETF, very similar to VOO, Schwab and iShares ETF, makes up 1.12% portfolio or $2,600 equity value. I'm up 53.09%. First stock is Apple, which is my largest stock position. Makes up 6.98% portfolio or $16,264. I'm up 87.34%. Alibaba, which is my exposure to Asia Pacific region, makes up 5.48% portfolio or $12,760. I'm up 31.02%. Next is Microsoft, which makes a 4.97% portfolio or $11,576. I'm up 82.51%. Next is Visa, makes up 4.67% portfolio or $10,893. I'm up 77.25%. Nvidia makes up 3.71% portfolio or $8,641, currently up 28.25%. Next is Alphabet, which is the parent company of Google, makes up 1.76% portfolio or $4,100. I'm up 37.97%. Alphabet Class C shares. The first one is Class A shares. This one doesn't have voting rights. Makes up 1.76% portfolio or also $4,100. I'm up 37.16%. So this is a total of $8,200. Johnson & Johnson makes up 3.45% portfolio or $8,030. I'm up 12.98%. Next is Amazon, makes up 3.26% portfolio or $7,600, currently up 60.06%. Tencent, which is another Asia Pacific play, makes up 2.85% portfolio or $6,634, currently up 18.05%. Next is McDonald's, makes up 2.58% portfolio or $6,023, up 24.91%. Next is Boeing, which makes up 2.43% portfolio or $5,664, up 11.87%. Next is United Health, makes up 2.26% portfolio or $5,256. I'm up 71.84%. Home Depot makes up 1.7% portfolio or $39.53 in equity value. I'm up 44.8%. Next is AT&T, which makes up 1.67% portfolio or $3,890. I'm up 7.49%. Berkshire Hathaway, which is Warren Buffett's company, makes up 1.67% portfolio or $3,883. I'm up 25.3%. Costco, which makes up 1.63% of my portfolio or $3,791 in equity value. I'm up 21.07%. Facebook makes up 1.62% portfolio or $3,776. currently up 35.29%. Next is 3M, which makes up 1.39% portfolio or $3,240, down 10.62%. PepsiCo makes up 1.16% portfolio or $2,714, up 13.64%. PayPal, which makes up 1.09% portfolio or $2,551, up 46.62%. Next, Air Energy makes up 0.92% of the portfolio or $2147 in equity value, up 36.14%. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company makes up 0.64% portfolio or $1,500, up 37.82%. Activision Blizzard makes up 0.6% portfolio or $1,407, down 10.83%. Next couple positions are actually down, but I'm going to continue holding for the long term. Baidu makes up 0.65% portfolio or $1,520, down 25.03%. This one was up 9.35% just in today's return. Baozun, which is a Shopify China, or $1,324 in equity value, down 5.18%. But today it returned 8.09%. NetEase, which makes up 0.28% portfolio or $657, down 5.72%. This one today returned 7.19%. Constellation Brands, which makes up 0.24% portfolio or $564, down 14.92%. Ichiyi makes up 0.2% portfolio or $456, down 24.59%. This one, today's return was 8.2%. Vanguard Consumer Discretionary ETF makes up 0.9% portfolio or $2,109, 55.12% in total return. Vanguard Healthcare ETF makes up 0.74% portfolio or $1,728, up 48.36%. Last but not least is Vanguard Mega Cap Value ETF, makes up 0.83% portfolio or $1,928, currently up 31.6%. So that's all in my Robinhood portfolio. I plan to continue holding these stocks and ETF and buying more stocks, preferably a good balance between dividend paying stocks and growth stocks. I also plan on increasing my cash position, which is currently at $9,811 in my Robinhood account and $30,000 in a high yield savings account. But I want to get this to at least $40,000 so I can easily deploy when there's opportunities to buy. That's all for this video. What's in your portfolio? Comment down below. Remember to use my referral links below, and both of us get $20 for using personal capital or a free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.